Hi everyone, this is Satyendra Singh, student from Thinking Machines, Ujjain, Madhya Pradesh, India. And today I will showcase you my second Android application, which I made it in Java. It is a client-server based application, and my desktop application is a client, and my Android app is a server. So I named this product Mimic. It is a virtual controller. I named it so because it is used to intimate your peripheral devices. Now let me restart my application from the desktop. So I will make a separate video for each screen because it is not possible for me to record two screen at the same time. So wait for a while. It is appearing on the screen. Yeah, as you can find, a UI window is appeared here. Now everything you're looking at, the UI is constructed in Adobe XD. You can see an over effect here. These are buttons. Currently back button is disabled. This is my main logo. I named it as 11, and this is a responsive window. Now I have given two options for connection. One is through QR code, one is through normal code, you can say. So first of all, I will connect it through a QR code. So this is my phone in my hand, and now I will connect it through QR code. I will make a separate video for the Android. So let me click here. You can see a QR image is appeared on the screen. Now I will connect it. As you can see that phone is in my hand. Now a logout button, and then the time of connection, the address of the server, the date of connection is appeared on the screen. So as you can see at the bottom of the screen, I'm touching the screen of Android, and I will move a finger, and you can see mouse is moving on the screen. You can also produce a double click effect here. Let me minimize it first. How can you double click? First click by one finger, then click by second finger. And you can choose it through button also. I have also given the facility of buttons and full touchpad. Now let me turn on the keyboard of my application. So I'm typing my name. You can see text appearing is on the screen. So I forgot to press D here. And the one thing I faced as a challenge here is the continuous printing of a button which is pressed for long time. So I used an handler class of Android, that is in Java. You can say it is a kind of multi-threading. So I am pressing a button for a long time, and you can see a continuous printing effect on the screen. So I'm again pivoting it back. So that's about my client side. So this is my server side window. It is an Android application, and you can find my application here named Mimic. You can find a logo here. I'm turning it on. Now you can see there are two buttons. One is Wi-Fi and one is hotspot. So I've given the facility to connect it through Wi-Fi or either hotspot. Now I'm turning my Wi-Fi on because my connection through Wi-Fi is very fast, and it depends upon the speed of internet connection also. If your internet connection would be slow, then definitely you will find lag. So you can see that as soon as I have turned on my Wi-Fi button turned into green go button. If I again turn it off, then it will change back. You can see that. Now I'm pressing go. Now earlier I told you that I've given the facility to scan through QR code or type the normal code. So I ought to scan here. Now, usually it don't take too much time. It connects within 1 second. You can find there is a mouse here. Now, I have given the facility to convert mousepad into touchpad by switching this button. It depends on the taste of the user. Everything is constructed in Adobe XD, this UI tool. So I have decided to make this UI little futuristic because my target audience is youth. Because nowadays gaming is very popular, and in gaming futuristic UI is must. I considered this. So while converting mousepad to touchpad, you can perform every activity of buttons using different kind of gestures on the touchpad. Now let me show you my keyboard screen. This is my keyboard screen. So I wanted to put all the keys of the keyboard in this screen. So it might look little congested here. You can see effect of clicking here. I will also provide sound as an haptic feedback for the clicking of this button here. I have also given the presentation mode. It is a very important mode for the teacher and student. While they give presentation, they have to move to the podium to change the slide, or either they have to arrange the volunteer to change the slide. So this application may save their time. And I'm also looking forward to bring a gaming mode in which on the screen a gamepad will appear, and I will make that feature paid, and I will bring more different modes here. Currently I am only having 3 modes. So I hope you like this application. If you find anything wrong in this application, or if you want to give any suggestion to me, you can contact me. I'll post my contact while I post this video on the LinkedIn or any platform. So I hope you liked my application. Thank you to watch my video.